Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 10th. Myself Abhishek Srivastav. I will teach you mathematics. In previous lecture we finished chapter first, that is real number. Here we start new chapter polynomial, which is chapter number 2. This is your first lecture in this chapter. First of all we deviate the terms is polynomial. Now polynomials are combined with two terms just like a poly and nomials. Poly means many and nomials means terms. That expression which have many terms, we says that there is a polynomial. Here we define some systematic definition of polynomial. Now what is polynomial? A polynomial is a expression consisting of a variable and coefficient that involve only the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponent of variable. That is, a polynomial is that algebraic expression which consists of variable and coefficient which involve an operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and variable are non-negative integer of exponent. If this such condition are hold, then that expression we said to be polynomial. Now example of polynomial is px is equal to 4x plus 3. Polynomial denoted as here px in variable x. Here it is the polynomial in variable x, and here power of x is 1, so it is degree of polynomial is 1. Here also discuss some other example of polynomial. 2 minus 5 6x 4x square 6x square plus 5x t square minus 4 and etc. Here 2 and minus 5 there are no involvement of variable x, so it is a constant polynomial. Here 2 can also be written as 2 dot x power 0, which is 2. Here 6x variable is x, 4x square power of variable is 2, and similarly this is the variable in t. This is the polynomial of variable t. Example of polynomial having one variable. Now we discuss some types of polynomial here. Now we define types of polynomial behalf of these two categories based on terms and based on degree. Based on terms is deviated as a monomials, binomials, trinomials and etc. And based on degree is deviated as linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, etc. Here, what is monomial? These terms we studies in class 9th. Monomials, polynomials having one terms only, then that is said to be monomials. Binomials, an algebraic expression consisting two unlike terms, then we said to be binomials. Trinomials, a polynomial consisting of three unlike terms, we said to be trinomials. And similarly, here based on degree there is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means polynomials having variable degree 1, that is linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means a polynomial having variable degree 2. Similarly in cubic polynomial degree 3, in biquadratic polynomial having variable degree 4, and similarly. Now this is the format of types of polynomial. Now in which case we can say that that is not polynomial, so we consider a notes. Here polynomial must contain no square root of variable. That means in variable is, if the variable in square root, then there is not format of a polynomial. And second one is no fractional or negative power of variable. If these are whole, then that expression is not to be polynomial. No variable in denominator. If any variable in denominator, then that polynomial we cannot say that is polynomial. Now some example of these are root x plus 4. Here variable x in root, so it is not polynomial. X square plus root x plus 7. Similarly here x is in power 2, but this x in root, so it is not polynomial. Second one is x power of 1 by 2, there is a fractional power, and here x power 3, and here x power negative, non-negative, so it is a negative power, and here fractional, so it is also not polynomial. Here x plus 1 by x, this is fractional denominator in variable, and here x square plus 7 by x, also variable in denominator, so these are not a polynomial. Now we discuss some next terms in this chapter. A real number k is said to be 0 of a polynomial px if pk is equal to 0. If pk is equal to 0, then k is said to be 0 of polynomial. In this chapter, we discuss some geometrical form of zeros of the polynomial. Now here, there are polynomial graphs are given. Here, these graphs cut y-axis and x-axis. Here, in graph, we can say that the zero of the polynomial in which condition? If the graphs cut x-axis, then how many times it's cut the x-axis, so we can say that there are zero of the polynomials. Now here, see that in first there is a graph of the polynomials, and this graphs cut x-axis in one part, so this polynomial having one zeros. Second one is, this is the graph of the polynomial, this is quadratic polynomials graphs, and this cut axis in two part, so this polynomial having two zeros. This graphs cut x-axis in three parts, so this polynomial having three zeros. And this graphs of polynomial touch the x-axis in one point, so it's have only one zero. And these graphs cannot cut or touch the x-axis, so it's have no zero. Now this can also be written as number of 0 is 1 in first case, because graph intersect x-axis at one point. Second one, number of 0 is 2 because it's 2 point, and similarly. Behalf of this lecture, you can solve your homework. Your homework is find the zeros of px. First one is minus 4x plus 3. Second one is x by 2 plus 3 by 7. Third one is 9x square minus 6x. Fourth one is 3x square minus 2. And fifth one, 3x square plus 11x minus 4. This is the format. You can solve this type of question in class 9. And the second one is find zeros of x square minus 4x plus 3. If a and b are zeros of the polynomial, find the value of a cube plus b power 4 plus a power 4 dot b cube. Using this lecture, you can solve your first exercise 2.1. Thank you.